Good morning everyone. Have you seen this beauty? Yeah. I just want to show you something. First say, hallo Alex.
Good morning, my friend.
Good morning. Sag auf Russisch, sag auf Russisch.
Добрый день, друзья.
Dobrze. Here, sexy, yes. Okay. Yeah, I hope you have seen the video from the delivery and unboxing from this new machine. Today, I drive to a guy, and when you follow me, you know this guy, and I have a little surprise for you. The weather's nice, and we go to the first test ride with this car. It got an EJ 25/7 Stage 2 Subi-Performance. This car here stand still for over 2 years. He have an big end bearing failure, and now we go to the first test ride. Always the brakes are dead. But the car's in fine conditions. The engine now too. Maybe you know that I moved in the last month with my shop, and the old shop was not far away from here, something about 5 kilometers, and now I'm so happy now, because in my old shop, only 5 kilometers from here, comes a guy, you know that guy, and that makes me pretty happy, and that makes everything much easier. Oh, the tires are bad, because how it calls in English when a tire stand for a long time and it isn't like an egg. Yeah. In Germany we say, wie sagt man auf Deutsch? Reifen, Standplatten, ne? Ne, die Standplatten, sondern die Standschaden des Reifens, irgendwie so. Ja. Na gut, okay, Kunde braucht neue Reifen. The axle definitely needs an adjustment, but I think that's the smallest problem. Yes. I'm so happy. Now the Haas Super Minimal Tour is there, and we can do it with this machine so much nice things. Some people ask me, what do you want to do with this machine? And I said, I really don't know what, but I want to have it, because when you have it, you are so flexible and you can do cool stuff. First I have only 3 axes, but maybe later I bought me the 4 and 5 axes, and then we can do headporting. But I really don't know. It is not for the business, but it is more to make me happy, because that was one of my biggest wishes, that I want to have a nice mill, a nice CNC mill, and not a normal one with wheel or something like this. I want to have a CNC one. I will start working with the Fusion 360 program. I have it actually currently, and actually we have here a mapping at this car for the brake end of the engine, and the customer I have drive 3000 kilometers. It got the power mapping. Maybe you know this place here. And I hope.
Stimmt hier nichts ab, geh weg.
You have to speak English. We are in English and was heißt a multicultural channel.
Multicultural channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
It is this guy here.
Hello.
In the new shop. That is perfect, because it is directly here. Let's see your new shop. Lol.
Das wollte ich ja eigentlich so
Undercover? Ja, ist jetzt under. Ja, guckt keiner meine Videos.
Ja, leck mich.
Luch! Oh je! Hi, that's the dad. You are currently on YouTube now. Whoa! Your plan is to put the office?
I will put the office upstairs, and this area over here, we can park the car, work on the cars. The next area is for the machineries,
okay,
and the workbench and so on. And upstairs over here, we will install the office. The next part next to the office, behind the nice ladies there, there will be the visitors area.
Where?
Over there.
There.
In the middle part there will be the visitors area with a big window to the workshop over here that you can look down.
Cool.
See what we are doing.
But you
at the back there will be an.
You have to say also what we have here.
Nein, das sage ich noch nicht.
Yeah.
Nein.
Doch.
Nein, wirklich nicht.
Okay.
Ja.
Cool. Nice.
Oh no.
Yeah. That was it. That is so nice that this guy is actually directly here because we work pretty good together. Okay, let's go back and check out what there is happen. Oh, nice sign. What is this? Shop. This car here got a new EJ27 Stage 2. And here we have this SDI with a crash on the Nordschleife. Looks not so good, but I think no problem. Yeah, good. Hello, hello. Hello, Mini. Hello. Machine is ready and waiting for the first service or the installation service from Haas. Hello. Komm, wir zeigen dem, wie Dachse sich freuen. Okay guys, that was only a short, small video from my daily job here. I just do the next test ride with these black WRX, and I hope you have a good time. Don't forget, on Saturday I continue the FA20 Turbo video series, and thank you for watching, stay tuned, bye bye. Dobranoc.